Okay. So, good day everyone. Ang ating lesson ngayon ay speaking mathematically. Lesson under here, sa Unit 2 natin, we have variables, language of sets, language of relations, and functions. Pero for now, ang i-discuss muna natin ay ang ating variables and the language of sets. Okay, so let's move to these are our lessons. Move tayo sa ating variables. Okay, so ang variable, sometimes called the mathematical John Doe. Okay, so sa coroner's office, kapag meron silang unidentified na body, they label it as John Doe and Jane Doe para sa babae. Okay, linelabelan nila yung unidentified corpses or unidentified bodies na nakukuha nila sa crime scenes. Ganoon din naman sa ating math, okay? So, yung ating variable, they have two uses, okay? Number one, to give a temporary name to an unknown quantity. Tapos, number two, to represent any element of a set, allowing for general statements. Okay? So, yun yung sa variables natin. So, yung first na topic natin, we're going to discuss, number one muna, yung use number one. Okay. Sa number one kasi natin, sabi niya placeholder siya ng isang a temporary name of a quantity. Okay, so sabihin natin ito yun. Is there a number with the following property? Doubling it and adding 3 gives the same result. Pwede naman nating uh, gawin mo na to bago natin siya i-state. Okay, ba? Yan. Okay, so is there a number with the following property that 2 times that number plus 3 is equal to the number squared? Okay? So, sa number one kasi natin, sabi natin temporary name. Okay? So, paano yung temporary name, sir? Okay, so, pwede natin gawin to. Yan. Okay? So, is there a number x with the following property that 2x plus 3 is equal to x squared? Okay? So, pinalitan lang natin. Yan. Pinalitan lang natin yung box ng specific letter. Okay? Pinalitan lang natin yung box ng specific letter. So, ganun yung sinasabi ng ating use number one ng variable. Okay. Punta tayo sa 2. Yan. So, sabi dito, no matter what number might be chosen, if it is greater than 2, then its square is greater than 4. Okay, ano yung sinasabi dito? Di ba sabi kanina, to represent any element. Okay, represent any element of a set. Bakit pa tayo nagkakaroon ng set, sir? Yung set kasi, typically, sila yung solution ng ating equation. Okay? Yun yung set natin, siya yung sagot dun sa solution sa equation natin. Kung ano man yung mga y, kung ano yung mga x doon, si range and si domain. Okay, yun yung nangyayari. So ngayon, sabi dito, ang nangyayari dito, i-represent natin yung solution ng statement na to. Kumbaga. Okay? So pwede nating sabihin ito. Yan. Sabi, no matter what number n might be chosen, if n is greater than 2, then n squared is greater than 4. Okay? So, nalilimit natin yung ating solution set or the answer to the equation itself na yung mga n natin and values natin should be greater than 2. Okay? Be greater than 2. And if ever man na hindi greater than 2 yung ating n, hindi na siya mag-fall dito sa ating condition na n squared is greater than 4. Okay? Kapag hindi siya greater than 2. Okay? Now let's move on writing sentences using the variables. Okay? So, paano yun, sir? And let's have this as an example. Okay? Are there numbers with the property that the sum of their squares equal the square of their sum? Okay, so ita-transform natin to into a very simple equation. Okay? Or we're going to speak mathematically, write it mathematically. Mm. Ito yung mangyayari dyan, guys. Okay, so are there numbers A and B with the property that A squared plus B squared is equal to A plus B squared? Okay? So, sabi dyan, numbers kasi. So, dapat magkaiba sila. Magkaiba dapat yung, kasi kapag magkakaroon tayo ng, ng numbers na A and A lang, okay? Masasabi pa rin ba natin na equal siya sa A squared plus B squared is equal to A plus B quantity squared if A plus A lang yung nilagay natin dyan. So, A squared plus A squared, that is 2A squared, is equal to um, A squared. 2A squared is not equal to A squared. May 2 na dun, crush, may 2 dun. Sa kabila dun, sa kabila wala. Okay? Tingin nyo magiging possible pa rin ba yun? Since same variable yung nangyayari. Okay? So, sabi na dyan, if numbers yung pinag-uusapan, let us define them as let us define them as um, different muna. Okay? Different at first. Define muna natin na magkaiba sila. Okay? Para maging okay yung ating statement later on. Oo. Yan. That is for the example and the concept of variables ng ating Unit 2. Okay, so I'm going to end this for now. Meron pa tayong susunod na video. Okay? Thank you.